Welcome to the fifth in our tutorial series on Photoshop. Here we'll be talking about how to work with layers on our Photoshop document. What are layers? Simply put, layers are the way how we can organize our image easily and smartly. Our Photoshop document open, we can see that we already have one layer of the document already in place. Over here on the right is our layer setup, and you can see how many layers we have. One. The hierarchy of layers, meaning how they are stacked in a certain way, and if they're grouped, which they are not. So, to create a new layer, all you have to do is click the button at the bottom of the layer window that looks like a new page being turned, or hit Shift-Control-N at the same time. You can also click the layer drop-down in the top and select New Layer from there. I personally like the Layer button as it's easy to click and go. After this, you can see that we've added a second layer that is blank to our layer list. The new layer has now become the top layer, which is what will display over the image we have already. In this way, you can draw or stack images so you get exactly what you want out of the document. So, for example, you can see that I can drag the layers and reorder them any way I want. Top, bottom, stack them how you like to make the image you want. It's that simple. To group layers, you can click on the little folder icon down at the bottom next to the new layer icon, and it will create a folder. You can name the folder and drag any layers you want inside the folder. Doing this will allow you to do many interesting things, including apply effects to the entire group and more. And that's all you need to know about the basics of layers, a simple system to make image creation and manipulation easy.